Hello everyone, I am Madhav Garg from Team Sunrises. Imagine being in a place like Sikkim where there are hundreds of monasteries, but you don't even have a single trustworthy, reliable source so that you can visit or travel these monasteries virtually or digitally, I say. Our goal is simple yet ambitious to bridge the gap between ancient heritage and modern technology, ensuring that Sikkim's rich monastic culture can be both preserved and experienced globally. To achieve this, we have designed a holistic platform that blends virtual tourism with culture preservation. Like some of our key features of the platforms are 360 virtual tour. We will provide a walkthrough of the whole monastery, covering one end to other, and we will provide an interactive map of monastery routes and local routes too. We will provide a digital archive of manuscripts, mural, and ancient documents. We will also provide a smart audio guide which will guide you throughout your journey. A culture framework will be also there so that you can get the information of the local events and local cultures. We will also provide an AI powered chatbot which will support multiple language. And how our solution is unique. It is unique because it merges culture preservation with digital technologies. It supports multilingual accessibility for all global tourists, and it is offline first design so that it will work even when we are offline. And we will keep in mind that it design will be responsive.
We are using React, Flutter, and Node.js for the backend APIs, and database should be Postgres and the MongoDB. And we are using TensorFlow for the S, and deployment will be on the AWS for the fast content delivery section. Now the process: we first collect data using drones using 360 cameras along with the manuscript and mural, and this data is processed with the OSCR image recognition. In our user side, we will provide immersive experience through AR VR 360 views on mobile apps and web portals. Our AI layer gives personalized recommendation and understand the user queries. Finally, the system integrates the local tourism service and government airports. We will also conduct usability and performance testing and then deploy a scalable cloud infrastructure to ensure usability.
These slides show that our project is feasible since AR, VR, and cloud system are already mature. And offline mode supports remote monasteries. Key challenge include connectivity, culture sensitivity, and data security, and high equipment cost. To overcome this, we purpose offline first design, local collaboration, blockchain for secure archive, and government funding with initiatives like Dekho Apna Desh and a fast growing digital tourism market. This idea is both practical and impactful. So guys, we are not just preserving culture, we are making it future ready.
Monastery 360, it's not just a platform, it's like a tour guide with you in your mobile phone. With a single click, you can find your nearby hotels, restaurants, hospitals, even police stations. You can also plan your next destination with our platform. Our platform helps to local community to provide employment, and our platform is also beneficial to economical support, environmental support, and social support of local communities. Our main goal is to digitize, showcase our culture in international level. With this help of Monastery 360, a student from Harvard can also get information about our culture, tradition with the mural and manuscripts. Monastery 360, it's not just about tourism, it's like a preserving the soul of Sikkim. Thank you.